go to myunidays.com. Once you're on the website, tap the three lines at the top left corner and select Join Now. Next, enter your personal email address, agree to the terms, and click Continue. You'll receive a one-time passcode in your email. Enter that code and click Continue again. Now, fill in your details: your name, gender, date of birth, country, and institution. After that, click Continue. If you have a student email ID, enter it and click Send Email. If not, tap Try an alternative method. Here, you can choose to verify with a photo ID card or other documentation. If you select Photo ID, upload the front and back of your student card. Once it's uploaded and reviewed, your UNiDAYS student ID will be successfully verified. After verification, you can access tons of student discounts from brands like Apple, Nike, and Samsung directly from your UNiDAYS dashboard. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.